And I'll show you how our customers are using our downtime pareto to focus on those areas which are impacting their performance the most. So right here, I've queried downtime events for the last week of operation. And what I've been able to do is focused on a particular area of interest to me. So I've been able to filter out downtime events that have occurred related to tooling. This customer does have the ability, does have their downtime categories in subcategories. So they're able to focus on, okay, we know, these issues around tooling are really impacting us. Let's figure out around tooling which downtime events are impacting us the most, right? So if it's something around tooling replacement, we can very easily see over that period of time which machines impacted most by that particular category. And we can do this for everything from, inspections, really any custom category that you would want to create and be able to track so that you guys can focus your continuous improvement efforts in those areas. And then you can also have a more granular view of the data on an individual basis to see, okay, what was the most time-consuming event? How often were these events occurring over that time frame? And then let's say, for instance, one of those events was categorized erroneously. Management has the opportunity to come into this interface and correct that at this level as well. Now, moving further down, we have an example of our downtime by machine. And so that's going to surface for us which machines are being impacted most overall. And then we have the ability to drill down into that data from a machine basis and see, okay, across that machine, how does that measure up? So you really do start to surface the areas that are disrupting, your performance the most with regard to downtime. And a lot of our customers will use these categories and actually launch those workflows that Jock was talking about in order to address those areas of inefficiency. So then not only do you have, okay, we have the symptoms of the problem, but we're able to address that problem in an automated way, whether it be through communication or setting off workflows. Outside of MachineMetrics, we also integrate into other systems, which Jacob will touch on as well.